The CAF Southern California Wing Aviation Museum is located in beautiful Camarillo, California, surrounded by agriculture, the Santa Monica Mountains, and the Pacific Ocean. We offer 3 World War II aircraft ride experiences from a primary trainer, advanced trainer, or one of the most popular fighters, the P-51 Mustang. You can choose one or all 3. Your pilot will give you a full briefing on the history of the aircraft, explain the particular characteristics of the plane, and take you on a ride you've always dreamed about. Your pilot will ensure you have a memorable experience while helping you choose your flight path while pointing out all the picturesque West Coast locations in the splendorous scenic area along the way. This memorable ride would not be complete without a photograph of you, the pilot, and the aircraft. After your flight, don't forget to visit the museum, which includes exhibits, remaining airworthy aircraft, as well as the museum's maintenance and restoration hangar. Enjoy the moderate climate of the area by visiting the Camarillo Outlet Malls, the Ronald Reagan Presidential Library, the Santa Monica Mountains, and the Ventura County Harbors. CAF Southern California Wing, Camarillo, California, 805-482-0064. CAFSocal.com.